Hello, everybody. So we're going to try something a little different today. My sister introduced me to what was called a dump cake, and I was like, a dump cake? What in the world is a dump cake? Well, it's obviously something very easy and very delicious. I was very surprised about this. I've only done it once, so I'm getting ready to do it again, and I wanted to show you guys. So let me show you how easy this is. When you're done, you may want to throw some flour on your face and act like you've been in the kitchen all day to impress everybody, of course. You want them to think you've been working for hours when it really took hardly any time at all. So check this out. All right, we're going to butter the pan. I got a stick of butter here, and I am going to do the sides and all of the bottom. I have my pineapple that I have diced up. Going to spread that evenly throughout the bottom of the pan. And then I am going to add my cherries right on top of that. All right, so now that I got my cherries out of the can, I can spread those out also. You want to make sure you get a nice bite of cherry and pineapple in every bite. All right, we're going to take the cake mix and we're going to spread it evenly all over the pan. All right, we're going to take the butter and we're going to just make thin slices and we're going to spread it all over the pan so it looks like this. Then we will put it in the oven and we will bake it for about 20 to 30 minutes until it's golden brown. All right, so the dump cake is done. Check it out, it is awesome. You've got to try this recipe. Super simple, super quick and easy. Everyone is gonna love it. Subscribe so you can continue getting my awesome recipes.